Hey there, Ryan. How you doing? Leo here. We spoke earlier about getting a custom web audit video sent to you. So here it is. I just wanted to go over a few things with you. Um, Today I'm going to go over 3 tips, um, which are tips and tricks that you can do to apply to your website yourself. I know a lot of times people don't know who to hire because they don't know who's an expert in this field and who's not. That's kind of why I just do a free web audit to showcase my skills to you and then kind of let you see what I know. And at the end of the day, you can apply these things yourself and it'll help you and it'll help you see results. So I hope you apply these yourself. And if you can't, I would definitely love to work with you. But if not, like I said, I definitely think these are some things that you can do to help boost your online presence. So the first thing I want to do is go over your website. I love how you got 3 different locations. I love the numbers are right up here on top. You can click them as soon as you come in here. Love the layout of your page. Beautiful pictures, beautiful pictures. But the thing I see on here is there is just not a lot of content on here. By content, I just mean words. When it comes to ranking sites, Google loves content. Content is king. So on this home page, there needs to be about 1,500 to 2,000 words on this first page. And then behind that, you've got all these pages back here, and these should be having around 5 to 750 words of content on these pages. And within those words, you need keywords, and that's something I'll go over with here shortly with you. But overall, the site looks really good. I like the site. I really do. Let's see what your photos are. Might be a template. Another thing is whenever you're saving your photos, it needs to be something with more buyer intent keywords like Louisville, Kentucky roofing, Louisville, Kentucky roofers, things like that. That 500 to 600 people a month are searching. That way we can get the site in front of their eyes. And just for perspective, this is the #1 companies. They're the #1 on the map pack, and as you see, they're lacking content as well. Definitely like your layout and your page a lot better. You've actually got more content than these guys. So you're probably asking yourself, well, how are they #1 if they don't have any content? Well, what I have is a web crawler tool here that I put the URL in, and it tells me everything that the competition has, why they are ranked where they're ranked. And right off the bat here, I see that they've got 2,000 backlinks. And I also put you into the same tool, and this tool is Ahrefs. It's a paid tool that I use. It's a web crawler tool, and it helps me get inside and get a detailed report on a website and your website as well to show where you could use a little bit of attention. So as you see here, they've got 2,000 backlinks. You've got 632. They've got 698 organic keywords. You've got 497. And see the traffic that's driving. That's the goal at the end of the day, is to drive more traffic and to increase that volume right there. And you're not doing too bad. 418 with organic traffic, 1.7K. Now what I do is I go in here and I see where they get their backlinks from. So we've covered content. You need 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage and 5 to 750 words on your back pages. And then you got backlinks. If you're not familiar with backlinks is just simply your URL is somewhere else on the internet linking back to your home page. So that can be on a blog post, a guest post, that can be on a review. Anywhere that you can put your URL in that links back to your site is a backlink. And there's also something called citations, and that's what this person has. Most of the stuff they have are citations. They've got 2,000 backlinks, but referring domains, that means the domains that's actually pushing back, they've got 179, so they're on 179 different sites. The rest of these are citations, and a citation is simply NAP, name, address, phone number. and that is your business name, business address, business phone number, and that counts as a citation. That's what most of these are citations. But what that does is you go to Yelp, put your business name, address, phone number in, and that gives you, this is strength and this is trust. So that helps build the strength and trust, and just builds the whole whole online presence of your website. Now I'm going to go in here and show you a couple things. So we did the content, the backlinks, and the citations. One last thing I want to show you before we get off here is roofing companies, Lexington, Kentucky. That's a good buyer intent keyword that you have there. There's 800 people a month that is searching for that. The KD is 6, which ain't too bad at all. You just need to stuff that a little bit more in your content. But what I would do, since you've got 3 locations, you need to have roofing companies Lexington, you need to have roofing companies Louisville, and then you need to have your roofing company Richmond. That way you have 3 completely, totally different services, and at the end of the day, you're going to need to rank in all 3 of those locations. So Lexington, it looks like you got a lot of Lexington in here. So you need to do the same thing for Louisville and Richmond. Like I said, that's something I can do, help you out with. If you need any help, just let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video, Ryan. Went over today the content you need to add to your website, the backlinks and citations you need to add, and the keywords. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you find this useful and find it helpful. I definitely think if you apply these things to your website, you will definitely see results. My name is Leo Arona. My cell phone number is 270-841-3600, and I'll be sending this to you on email. You can contact me through there as well. Have a good day, Ryan.